Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. So for more information you can visit our website at www.souravsirclasses.com. Also you can directly call us or WhatsApp us in this number 9836793076. So here in this lecture we will be solving some questions of physical chemistry and mainly we will be focusing on the chapter gaseous state. So let's get started. So here the question is the virial expansion for a real gas that can be written in either of the following forms. And here this is PVM by RT equals to 1 plus BPP plus CP square and then continue. So here we can solve it in this way. So already by the question we can write PVM by RT equals to 1 plus BPP plus CP square plus dot. So from here in the next step we can write 1 plus BVV plus CVV square plus dot. So here BPP is equals to actually BVV. We can write it in this way. Also here we can write BPP equals to BP RT by V, and from here equals to BP RT by V square into V. So this will be equals to BV and capital V. So or we can write BV equals to RT by V square into BP. So this is our equation 1. BV equals to RT by V square into BP. Now also given BV equals to BP, and this is our second equation. Now we have to compare both the equation. So comparing equation 1 and equation 2, 1 and 2, we can get this is equals to RT by V square. So here the answer will be option D, that is RT by V square. So option D is our answer for this question. Now let's move to the next question. So here the question is the average speed of CO2 and benzene D2 and CH4 increases as, and here there are 4 order in the options, so we have to choose the correct order. So by the question the expression of average speed, that is CAV, equals to, by the formula we know, 8 RT by pi m under root. So this is equation 1. Now if T remains fixed, if T is fixed for all the gases, that is the temperature, then CAV will be 1 by m. CAV varies as 1 by m. So we can say higher the molar mass is of the gas, obviously, then lower will be the average, because it is having an inverse relationship. So the molar mass of 1, 2, 3, 4, that will be increases as 3. I'm starting with the highest one, that is 2. 2 is the greatest, then 1, then 4, then 3. So 3 is the lowest and 2 is the highest one. Hence the average speed will also increase as, so this is for average speed. Average speed. Previous one was for molar mass. Okay, so average speed will be 2, then 2 is less than 1, 1 is less than 4, less than 3. So this is the correct order, 2, 1, 4, 3. So here 2, 1, 4, 3 is the correct option for this question, that is option B. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button. Also you can comment in the below section if you have any query. Thank you for watching.